signal, but the sell signal came well before where the buy signal came. I mean, above where the buy signal came. That's
Yeah.
pretty cool to see how the system works.
So where is it?
Yeah.
Where is it now? Is it
Yeah.
further down from where you got
Yeah.
out?
Right. Yeah. So it's further down from where. So I bought it at like $8. The height was about 17,
Uh-huh.
and now it's at 11.
11. And
So
you got
that's
that at
pretty
you
cool.
got that at what, 16 or 17?
About 16. About 16.
16. And now
Yeah.
it's at 11. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So
Yeah.
that's really good to see, so
Yeah.
grateful
Yeah.
about that.
Yeah. Isn't that cool? That's
Yeah.
cool.
Very,
Yeah.
very cool. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mhm.
All right, awesome. And Stella, we talked about this. You'll be able to do it over and over and over, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
One opportunity.
that was your biggest trade. And you learned, when Stella started with us, everyone,